And our top focus right now, Congress Working Committee meeting to discuss its performance in the Lok Sabha elections has commenced, and the suspense over the government formation, of course, lingers. The newly elected members of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are attending this particular meeting. As per reports, Sonia Gandhi may be re-elected as the leader of the Congress Parliamentary Party. While speaking on the CWC meet, Congress Rajya Sabha MP Pramod Tiwari has said that after every elections, Congress analyzes the situation. And while commenting on Rahul Gandhi being considered as a party leader, he said that the fight has been done intelligently. Let's quickly listen in to some of the reactions that have come in, and then I will go across to my colleague Anand Singh, who's joining us with the updates. And in fact, as we speak, I believe these are live visuals that are coming in of the Congress CWC, which was scheduled to take place right now in the national capital. Sonia Gandhi there, you can see on your screens, has arrived for the meeting. And of course, behind her was also Congress Party President Mallikarjun Kharge. Anand, if you can take our viewers through the details of what really is happening as far as the meetings are concerned right now.
Yeah, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge chairing the meeting of the Congress CWC, that is the highest decision-making body of the grand old party. And during his opening remarks at the CWC, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, first of all, thanked all the party workers and leaders for doing a lot of work during the election campaign in last few months. And then he also congratulated all the newly elected MPs of the party in the CWC meeting, and he also held the leadership of Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and several other leaders for leading the party from the front during the recently concluded Lok Sabha election. And he also cited that how the Congress has fighted against the divisive agenda of the BJP, and it focused on its campaign that was based on the 5 Nayas and 25 guarantees in the polls. And even during the meeting, the Congress CWC also set to discuss the future course of the Congress party and make a strategy for the upcoming parliament session after the formation of the new government at the center. So they will be discussing all those steps what the Congress needs to take ahead of the parliament session and how it decides its future course of action to take on the Modi government, as it has promised a lot of people-centric issues during the Lok Sabha election campaign. So the party will decide that they need to take the people-centric issues inside the parliament and outside parliament, so they need to continue it. Back to you.
Okay, Anand, as far as the other big decisions are concerned, what really is the chatter then around Rahul Gandhi? We saw that party workers have already started speaking in favor of selecting Rahul Gandhi as a leader of opposition.
Yes, several of the party leaders since day before yesterday, they have been demanding that Rahul Gandhi must lead the party in Lok Sabha as leader of opposition. And Manikam Tagore, who is a Congress MP from Virudhunagar in Tamil Nadu, he was first to propose this plan. And then several of the leaders have echoed his sentiment that Rahul Gandhi must lead. And as per Congress sources, during the CPP meeting that was all set to take place in the Parliament Central Hall, there were Sonia Gandhi will be once again re-elected as CPP chairperson. After that, party sources are indicating that several of the senior leaders, including Congress GSO, KC Venugopal, Gaurav Gogoi, and one more leader, they will be bringing a proposal that Rahul Gandhi must take the position of the LOP in Lok Sabha. So decision will be taken during the meeting. However, several of the party leaders have raised the demand that he must take the decision, as this post was once taken up by Rajiv Gandhi in 1989 as LOP during the VP Singh government, and by Sonia Gandhi in 1999 to 2004 when Atal Bihari Vajpayee government was at the center. Back to you.
Okay, Anand, thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast with those details. Meanwhile, let's quickly listen in to some of the reactions that have come in.
खुला है राहुल गांधी को लेके कि 5वां टर्म है उनका, वरिष्ठ हैं, फ्रंट से आके अटैक करते हैं, इंटेलिजेंटली अटैक करते हैं और सबसे बड़ी बात निर्भीकता और निडरता से करते हैं। तो इस समय संसदीय दल का नेता लोकसभा में उनको होना चाहिए, और इसलिए होना चाहिए खासतौर से मैं कहना चाहता हूं कि लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन और लीडर ऑफ हाउस को ये मौका होता है कि सदन में कभी भी किसी भी समय खड़े करके वो ध्यान आकर्षित कर सकते हैं स्पीकर का या चेयरमैन का। तो अब राहुल गांधी जी को मिले टाइम में नहीं बात करना है, बल्कि जहां भी लगे कि सरकार कमजोर है वहां हिट करने के लिए आवश्यक है नेता संसदीय दल बने।
देखिए, पूरे देश में जिस तरह से सीटें मिली है, हम लोग पूरी तरह से उस पर चर्चा करेंगे, कैसे हम लोग आगे बढ़े हैं और कैसे और आगे बढ़ना है।
CWC मीटिंग एजेंडा अभी तक हम लोगों को पता नहीं है। CWC शुरू होने के बाद एजेंडा क्या है, एजेंडे के बारे में क्या कहना है, हम वहीं कहेगा।
सर, CPP की बैठक शाम में है, जिसमें लगातार कांग्रेस के सांसद ये मांग उठा रहे हैं कि राहुल गांधी को संसद में विपक्ष का नेता का जो पद है वो लेना चाहिए, ताकि सड़क से संसद तक वो PM मोदी से टकराते दिखें। आपका क्या मानना है?
तो 140 करोड़ जनता की जो मांग है, हमारा भी वही मांग है। राहुल गांधी जी हैज़ टू टेक पोजीशन एज ए लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन, क्योंकि ये 10 साल से नरेंद्र मोदी जी सरकार जो किसानों के खिलाफ आवाज़ उठाए, बेरोज़गारी में धोखा दिए, ऐसे सब सारे जनता को जो धोखा दिए, ये सब सारे मौके पे राहुल गांधी जी ने जिम्मेदारी उठाए। ये किसानों के लिए, बेरोज़गार युवता के लिए, महिलाओं के लिए राहुल गांधी लगातार लड़ते रहा है। तो इसीलिए आज के तारीख में आप लोगों को कोई सवाल करने का कोई आपको मौका भी नहीं मिलेगा।
देखिए, ये जो सरकार है जो कल बनने जा रही है वो 2 बैसाखियों के ऊपर है। अब वो बैसाखियां कितनी पक्की हैं, कितनी लचीली हैं, वो वक्त बताएगा। पर एक बात बिल्कुल साफ है कि जो लोगों का संदेश है, वो लोगों का संदेश NDA भाजपा सरकार को ये है कि उनकी जो जन विरोधी नीतियां हैं उसको भारत की जनता पसंद नहीं करती।
मैं समझता हूं सारा देश उनको, सारे देश की मांग ये है कि उनको एज ए मेन लीडर ऑफ द ऑपोजिशन उभरना चाहिए। सारे देश में अगर पहचान है ऑपोजिशन में तो नंबर 1 राहुल जी की है। मेरा ख्याल है इस दफा ये पोजीशन बहुत एप्ट पोजीशन है, जहां ये बहुत नुमाया रोल अदा करेंगे और उसके साथ पार्टी को भी बहुत ज्यादा इसके साथ इनको बल मिलेगा और ताकत।
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.